How to change map type on Google Street View app, guys. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Street View. This is the home page, as you can see. Now as you can see, I have this type of map and I want to change it to satellite, for example. All what you have to do is simple. Go here and click on this little icon right here. Now click on here, you will find map type, choose default or satellite right here. Now as you can see, I have the satellite map easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.